Okay, this is also an unbalanced transportation problem. Here we can see the total of supply here is 450 units and total of demand is 500 units. So demand is more than the supply by 50 units. Okay, so this is a unbalanced transportation problem. So first thing what we have to do is we have to make it as a balanced problem before we solve. So there is 50 short in supply. So what we have to do is we have to add 50 here. So if we add 50 here, that means we have to add one dummy row, maybe Z. So if we add one row here with 50 units, then the total will become balanced. So 500 is the total of columns and rows total is 450, and we add 50 units, then the total becomes balanced, that becomes 500 units. So we have to convert this into a balanced transportation problem. So here it is done. Okay, so now it has become a balanced transportation problem, so we can solve it now. So okay, so now it is a balanced transportation problem. We'll select the northwest corner here 6, and we make allocations 200 and 250. Minimum is 200, so we'll allocate 200. So 200 minus 200, 0. Other elements in that row is cancelled. 250 minus 200 is 50. Now the next cell is northwest corner is 10. We select it and we allocate here A column there is 50 and X row there is 175. Supply capacity is 175 and the demand to be satisfied, the balance remaining is 50. So we allocate 50 here minimum. So 50 minus 50 is 0. 175 minus 50 is 125. A column becomes 0. These elements are cancelled. Out of the remaining 5 is the corner, northwest corner. So here there is 125, here 100. Minimum is 100, so we make allocation 100. 100 minus 100, 0. Other elements in that column gets cancelled. 125 minus 100 is 25. Okay, remaining is 8. The 8 there is 25 here and 150 here. Minimum is 25. We allocate 25. 25 minus 25, 0. 150 minus 25 is 125. Next we'll select 6 and we allot. There is 75 and 125. Minimum is 75. So 75 minus 75 is 0. 125 minus 75 is 50. The last cell that's remaining is 0, and to 0 we allocate 50. There is 50 here, here 50, 0, 0. So now the allocations are made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 plus 3 minus 1, that is 6. So that the condition is satisfied, all allocations are made. Now we'll calculate the transportation cost. So transportation cost, total transportation cost is equal to, so we have allocated 200 units here, then 50 units here and 100 units here, and then we have allocated 25 units here, 75 and 50 units. So 200 into 6, 1200 plus 50 into 10, 500 plus 100 into 5, 500 plus 25 into 8 200 plus 50 into 0 0 plus 75 into 6 75 into 6 450. Okay, so the total transportation cost here is 2850. Okay, so now we have solved unbalanced transportation problem both by adding a dummy column in the previous problem and here by adding a dummy row, that is under northwest corner rule method. Okay.